How to voice over on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Snapchat allows you to add voiceovers to videos using the voice filters. In order to do so, first and foremost, head over to Snapchat. Head over and take a video. To record a video, press and hold the camera button. Release the button once you're done recording. Now that this is done, first of all, you can close the sound by tapping on the volume icon. Now to do a voice over, you have to tap on this voice or microphone settings. Once you tap on the speaker or microphone settings from the left side corner, you must be able to record a video. Once recorded, you can tap on the tick or the done button from the bottom right corner and send it to share it with friends or post it on a story. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.